Hello, good evening Sagittarius. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising. So keep in mind this is a general love reading. This might or might not resonate with you. Now it's okay? And the roles can be reversed anytime, okay? So this is a reading from 20th of June till 30th of June. Let's start. Let's start Sagittarius. What's happening with you guys? Let's see your partner's current energy right now is Sagittarius. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see, your partner's current energy right now is, okay, the Temperance in reverse. So I feel like right now your partner is acting really temperamental. They are not able to control their temper. They are not being very patient. They are acting really impatient. Okay, so they are restless. They are impatient. They are not able to control their emotions. They are not able to control their water. So there is water in the two cups, and this angel is trying to balance the water. But this person right now is feeling very impatient, very temperamental, anger, resentment. Oops. So you have a lot of negativity that they are carrying right now in their current energy. Let's clarify this. The Temperance in reverse in your partner's current energy. Let's see. Five of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, Ace of Wands. Okay, so I feel like this person is impatient because they are feeling like you left them in the cold, or somebody left them in the cold, and they are not, able to come out of this situation. There's some kind of truth that came out. There's some kind of truth that came out in light, and that's forcing them to start their life all over again, or they are forcing them to control their just control their emotions and start their life all over again, and carry a passion which they don't want to carry at all. This is the situation here. So the universe is forcing them to start their life with scratch, from scratch, you can say. Okay, this is the situation here. So I feel like this person is very impatient because they are feeling somebody did something really wrong to them. They might be acting self-deceptive. They might be hiding something from themselves only. Okay, and this person is trying to start their life all over again. This is the situation. That's why they are really impatient. That's why they are really temperamental. Might be they are holding grudges against you. This is the situation here. Okay, let's see what's your current energy. Let's see what's your current energy, Sagittarius. Your current energy right now is, let's see what's your current energy, Sagittarius. Your current energy right now is Ten of Wands. Okay, I feel like you are carrying some kind of heavy burden on your head, heavy burden on your shoulders. Might be you're taking over responsibilities. Might be you're overworking. Might be you are being an workaholic or alcoholic. You can find it. Okay, you can take it how it's resonating with you. Basically, Ten of Wands is telling me that you are taking so much responsibility, that you are carrying lots of weight on your shoulders, and you are feeling like you are burdened by something. There's some kind of heavy burden that you are carrying on your chest, carrying on your shoulders, and you are not able to uplift this burden from your shoulders. This is the situation here. That's why you are feeling like this. Okay, so right now I feel like right now, although you are feeling like this, although you're feeling like you are burdened by something, might be a burden by your emotions, if not that office work or some kind of work situation here. So I feel like you are completing this cycle. This burden is not going to burden you anymore. Okay, this is the situation. This is a completion of a cycle. Number 10 are always completion of a cycle. It's really painful, but eventually that's going to be very good for you. You are going to feel light and happy. Okay, calm and relaxed. So I feel like although this situation is burdensome right now, that's going to change for you very soon. Let's clarify. Temperance in yours, Ten of Swords and the Knight of Swords. Okay, your partner is very impatient right now, but Sagittarius, you are acting very patient right now. You are trying to control your temper. You are trying to be very patient. You are trying to control your emotions, and you are feeling like the worst is over now. The worst is over now. You were feeling like there was some kind of person who backstabbed you, who betrayed you. Something happened to you, and that made you feel like shit. That made you feel like something backstabbed you. Somebody backstabbed you, betrayed you, and somebody did something really very wrong with you, and that thing made you really impatient. Really very burdensome situation was there, and that was created in this environment. in your energy, and you are, just trying to not to rush into anything. You are just trying to not to rush into anything. You are not trying to act desperate about anything, it's almost like you are concealing your true emotions. You are not telling anybody your true emotions, what you are going through right now. I feel like you are going through a hell lot of mental conflict as well right now, but you are acting really cool about that, and you're trying your best not to tell anybody what you are going through, because you feel like everybody is going to make joke of you, or everybody is going to make fun of you or something like that, and that's why you are right now trying to be really patient. Wow, nice. Yeah, so let's see what this person feels for you. Your partner's feelings for you, Sagittarius. Your partner's feelings for you. Let's see. The Lovers. You could be dealing with a Gemini. Okay, so I feel like your partner is feeling very attracted to Sagittarius. Although I feel like this is much of physical attraction rather than emotional attraction, this person is very physically attracted towards you, and this person wants to take some kind of decision regarding this connection. If they're not going to make any kind of decision, that's going to make both of you feel like this is a burdensome situation, and this relationship is not going anywhere. So I feel like this situation is going to be under control only when both of the parties will agree on a point where both of the parties are happy. Okay, so there should be a compromising situation. It's not like compromises are always bad. It's like to keep a relationship intact, you sometimes have to compromise. This is the situation here. Let's clarify. But this person is basically right now very physically attracted towards you, sexually attracted towards you, and they have to make some kind of decision. This is the Eight of Wands, Ace of Cups, and the Queen of Cups. See, this person, I was saying just, lover's energy was telling me that there's physical attraction, but now I am feeling like, yes, there's a hell lot of emotions involved as well in their feelings, because this person wants to communicate with you. So this is open and honest conversation. This is a conversation from their heart to your heart. This is the situation here. They want to have lots. At least they are feeling like there should be conversation. There should be communication between you guys, because this communication gap is increasing the gap between you guys, and that's making you guys feel like there's nothing left in this connection. This is the situation here. So this person, after this communication, after this a back and forth communication, I feel like there will be overwhelming emotions that will be coming out of this cup. Can you see the overwhelming emotions? This guy or girl will fall in love with you again. So from Ace of Cups, this energy is going to Queen of Cups. So I feel like they will develop, they will start developing new feelings for you, and eventually these feelings are going to be on a very deeper level. Okay, these feelings will change into something very deep, like a motherly love, motherly concern, and that type of love is the purest form of love. Okay, motherly love, motherly concern, that's going to happen with you guys. These are their feelings for you. So this is the situation here. If there is communication between you, if there is going to be any communication between you guys, that communication will open up something in them, and then they will realize that they have lots of love for you, and then that a starting of love, that a startup of love, you can say, will eventually change into a deeper connection. So these are their feelings for you. Let's see what this person wants from you. Six of Pentacles. This person wants to have equal give and take of energy from both the sides. So this person is feeling like if they are giving something to you, they want to receive back that energy. Okay, so I feel like this person wants to put in the effort, put in the work from their side in this connection, and they want the same from you. This is the situation here. This is what they want from you: equal give and take of energy. Okay, they are not going to take any less. They are not going to take any more. They just want what they are giving to you. They just want. I feel like this person wants you to feel this the way they are feeling for you. This is what they want from you. Okay, this is the situation. Let's clarify the Six of Pentacles, the Hanged Man, the Queen of Wands, the Seven of Pentacles. So from Six of Pentacles, this energy is going to Seven of Pentacles, and they get Seven of Pentacles. So I feel like this person wants you to have equal give and take of energy in this connection, and this person wants you to wait for them, to wait for the right time, and they want you to stop. They want you to stop, and they want you to see their point of view as well, feel their point of view as well, see things with their perspective as well. They want you to change your perspective towards them. Okay, and be patient, and be passionate, and be flirty, and be beautiful again. Okay, because they want to see you happy, see you in a flirty energy, see you in a light mood, and they want you to wait. Just wait for the right time. Okay, this is the situation here. This is what they want from you, Sagittarius. Okay, wait if you want to. Okay, this is your free will if you want to wait for them or not, but this person wants you to wait for them. This is the situation. Let's see what to expect from this person till 30th of June. Let's see. Hope, the star, positivity, happiness, positive communication, open and honest communication. You could be dealing with an Aquarius. So I feel like what you can expect from this person till 30th of June is hope, beauty, positivity, spiritual awakening, some kind of spiritual talk with you, some kind of deep talk with you. Okay, that's not going to be a shallow talk or shallow relationship. They are coming in towards you with a positive energy. They want to heal things between you guys, and they are carrying lots of love emotions, lots of beautiful emotions regarding this connection, and they are very hopeful that everything is going to be fine. So this person is coming back towards you. If they are not talking to you, this person is coming back towards you with a positive energy of healing and love and curiosity as well, you can say. Let's clarify. Ten of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, Judgment, yes. So I feel like this person wants to have a stable connection with you, and they want to send lots of love for you, they are carrying lots of love for you. They want to offer you this cup of love. This is the Knight of Cups, and this is very enthusiastic energy. So knights were used in the battlefields in the past, in the very 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 past. What should I say? I don't know. Okay, at the time of Romans, or you can say warriors. So knights were basically warriors. So they are carrying lots of passionate energy for you, and they want to give this passionate cup of love to you. They want to be in a committed relationship, in a stable relationship. They want to have a family with you, and they want to have a forgiveness. So I feel like this person wants to forgive you, this person wants to seek forgiveness from you, and this person wants to start this connection all over again after this forgiveness ritual is completed. Okay, and this person is coming in with a very beautiful energy of positivity and hope and forgiveness. And forgiveness, the Judgment card is telling me they want to start this connection all over again. This is a rebirth. So Judgment card is a rebirth of something, rebirth of their energy, rebirth of your energy, and to start this connection, to give this connection a second chance, another chance, with very very positive and beautiful and hopeful energy. Okay, so Sagittarius, I hope this reading will give you some kind of insight that will make you make you feel like lighter, and that will give you some kind of insight on what you should do next. So this is your free will, completely your free will, what you want to do, and this is not everybody's story, I can understand, but yes, take the part which is resonating with you, and leave the other part. Okay, okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, and this is Anjali Chanu. God bless you. Namaste, love from India. Thank you so much.